shit, I actually didn't think this through, you know.
This place is like amazing, man. Wait, what? Whoa.
Sky money overseas and we never run low. Told me he'll figure the bag and the diamonds all set on show and it's been low. Downfall, been down bad.
Nah, like this. Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Spyro here, and today we are back here with a brand new video. And basically what we're going to be doing today is we're going to be taking the boys out and we're going to be playing a massive game of hide and seek. And we're going to be doing this in Ikea, so you know we got a big spot. We got 50 euro on the line, and obviously I want to lose that, so we're going to give them 10 minutes to hide and 30 minutes of finding time. And if I can't find everybody within that 30 minutes, the last person on wins 50 euro. But if I do find them within that 30 minutes, we keep our money, boy. Make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe if you are new. Let's go meet our contestants.
Erasing them.
Alright, I guess. Well,
Yes, both boys.
don't start this.
Alright, so what's going on, guys? Now, I'm landed up in here. We got the guy down here.
Hey, what it do? It's your boy TDK. I'm out here chilling with my guy Spyro. Yeah, about to do a quick video for y'all.
Show them your face.
You already know.
Like I said already, we're going to play hide and seek out here in Ikea. We're going to be using the whole top floor, and I've basically got 30 minutes to find them. If I find them all within that 30 minutes and nobody gets anything to eat, or if nobody gets found within that 30 minutes, the last person that I find.
So basically, he's looking at me because he knows I'm the winner. TDK gonna win. Bring that money home for TDK.
We're coming straight for him. We're coming straight for him.
So it's just me and you now, bro.
Looks like it. We're gonna chill out here for a bit. If you don't already know who this is.
Sky been a couple bands and it come show. If one be come tip like yeah, we ain't letting off low.
98 MP, aka Ish from Toso. You know how it is. I'm the cameraman today, by the way.
Go check that shit out.
This is gonna be interesting, isn't it? We're red hot. Ikea's big, you know. At the 30 minutes.
So basically, we're not allowed to hide anywhere down here. We're only allowed to go up the top have all like the beds and everything. If you're from around here, you'll understand how Ikea works.
Anywho, boy TDK. Anywho, we about to start. So, we got 10 minutes. Yeah, we got 10 minutes. With the boy.
What next floor?
He said he's not allowed to go to the warehouse.
Hey, but we only got 10 minutes though.
Bro, we have to hide. Man, I'm gonna hide in some closet or some shit.
You know what? Sometimes you have to be sharp in this life and leave your friends for a little bit because they gonna get because they're gonna get you caught.
Top floor. We got 10 minutes to go hide. Shit. It's gonna be lit. Are you dumb? Are you crazy? Why are you jumping? Why are you jumping? Man's red hot. Okay, my plan is I need to go find like the darkest place to go hide. Cause I don't know where to go actually. I might stay here though. This is a crib. We litty. We vibing. Teaming up with Dammy. I'm still trying to set up my camera. I don't know what's going on. Hey, I'm out here. We still just roaming the streets.
Hey, but we only got 10 minutes.
We got 10 minutes. Facts. Oh no, I'm not finding nowhere though. What's going on? Bro, 10 minutes is enough time, we got 10 minutes to go hide so we can win the money.
I know, but you actually would.
I'm boxing.
Preview like
Gang shit.
whole lot of gang shit. Whole lot of 2 minutes, 40 seconds left. Precisely until we go look for these niggas.
feel like
Manny just chilling there every day.
You niggas is just chatting. Yeah, I'm not really with that chat.
Wait, instead of us hiding, we're
We're
looking at you.
Looking at us like.
bro, I don't know where to go. Bro, all I'm saying is if I win that 50 euro, yeah, I get everyone Domino's.
Swear?
Yeah?
Okay, if I win it, we'll get everyone done.
Say nothing.
Okay.
I might even hide in a cupboard or something.
Bro, I already checked the clothes. You feel me? Bro, this place is big as hell. I don't know where to go. Oh, they got toilets. My plan is to hide in the toilet, yeah, because he's not going to check the toilet.
My arms are tired. As in.
Alright, playtime's over. It's time to go win me some
Time to
money.
get business. Let's go.
30 minutes on the timer. I don't know why I'm standing around as if I don't have money to do. Oh shit, it's gonna be hard.
I said it, man.
Which way do we take? Left or right?
Let's start with here. Let's start with here.
So what's up, guys? I found my hiding spot. I'm just gonna chill right here.
Tough, innit?
I actually didn't think about this.
So this is a sticky part so far, cause these niggas could be anywhere here.
Shit, I actually didn't think this through, you know.
You know, they could be hiding underneath the couch, upstairs in here. Nah, they can't even go upstairs. Right up.
PlayStation controller. Shit.
Right up. I have a feeling someone might be in the bathroom, you know.
Yeah, I'm going to sit in the store, actually. I'm going to sit inside the store. For a fact. How you doing? Stay there for the whole time. That's how we're going to win. Yeah, I remember. You can't record in the male toilet. Damn.
Shit.
We're walking in circles. Do you know what my dude?
We haven't been here.
This place is like lazy, you know?
Run. So until you fell so. Till you fell so. Then we got grabbed.
Why the first to get caught? I might first to get caught. There's no way I'm the first to get caught, boys.
First to get caught, bro. First to get caught. Then you try to ruin it all. You try to ruin it.
First to get caught.
You forgot how big this place is, man.
Yeah, man. I told you.
It's body still, no cap.
Ooh, that's actually sharp.
You know what I'm saying?
I'm just gonna settle. I'm not trying to be walking around. I'm just gonna chill here.
That's what I said. Anyone could be hiding in any corners. Even like.
That should just be.
Second to get caught.
I said that should just be.
Second to get caught. Second to get caught. We 2 down. So far, we're 2 down.
Still got 25 minutes.
25 minutes.
So we found an empty store. 10 minutes, we still got time, but gotta keep it quiet.
We're doing good though. We're doing good because we still have over 20 minutes on the clock. So definitely.
No? You take a little break and all.
Shit.
This is good.
How you feeling right now?
I didn't use that me.
How you feeling right now?
Feeling good. Feeling good. Let's go win us.
Let's go.
Look at these two dumb shirts again.
Look, we knew the same niggas just running around.
That's like one of those long. Weird time. Was it weird that you keep it?
I should definitely not fit there. I don't know.
I don't like, we heard some at one of these wardrobes, but we ain't know. We ain't know if it's coming from the walls or what. Cause these niggas could be hiding in corners. I would have hid there. If I was in the game, that's where I would have hid, no cap. Right in that corner.
Skinny enough to fit there.
Scab. So we still out here. Yeah, so far. First stop recording for a bit. Cause niggas would have thought I was trying to record that breezy D.
I think one of them maybe have been in the toilet. I said no toilets and he goes, oh, alright. So they could have been in the toilet. Let's just look around.
Right up.
This is what I gotta do to make sure they don't see my feet. Because I think Mo saw what I'm wearing. I think he knows what shoes I'm wearing. So I just went out. They said no toilets, so I gotta leave. There's no toilets, so I gotta leave. Gotta head out. Because he said no toilets. And I ain't trying to get caught.
Never know, nigga might pop out of the toilet in there.
Toilet there.
Oh my god, you just go to that toilet. Look at it. He's there. Oh my god, I do it. Now you see, the thing is, like, no, because hey, listen. You said you didn't say no toilets, bro. Come on, bro. Okay, come on. No, bro, come on, bro. No. I didn't know. Bro, I didn't know no toilets.
Dammy, I owe you. Now it's time
Bro,
for the girls.
no, hold up.
You never said no toilet, so you gotta just give me one more chance to go. 2 minutes, 5
Should we?
2 to 5 minutes, I'll go now. And 10 seconds.
He said 10 seconds. My time starts, so I gotta run out.
So as it is now, we're still only on 2 people because we found AO, we found Dammy, and Udi's claiming that he said no toilets. I think we might have found someone. No? False alarm.
They see me from anywhere at any given point in time. I need the best place to do this.
Left. That corner there is looking a bit... Or is that the same place, is it? Damn.
Yeah, this might work. So I found a place behind the table where I think I could probably hide at.
Basically, in front of his face. So, yeah, over the one. So guys, how was your day? Like, oh guys, I want you to like, comment, and subscribe. God, does it butcher that? So, action.
Sorry. People are staring at me again. Shit. But anyway, Mo's texting me now. Bun this shit, man.
Oh my god. What's poppin'? What's good? So I just
They're coming.
this way? You gotta I'm gonna stay here. I'm gonna stay here. I knew it. And I was so happy that I was not gonna get caught, and then out of nowhere, it just happened. So I got caught for the second time.
Too easy, bro.
Alright, so we got him now. So that fella was never in the game. You gotta get Manny and the girls. So the girls actually trying.
Yeah, I won't lie, man. These are the spaces we need to be checking.
Everyone's on us.
Let me log on Snap on your phone real quick.
On my phone.
Yeah.
How's this thing moving? Oh, I knew it. Oh my god. I literally just seen the curtains move and I was like, shit, why is that moving? I knew it. Oh my god. I literally just seen the curtains move and I was like, shit, why is that moving?
Nah, it's because I moved. No way. It's because I moved. It's because I moved. It's because I moved. No way. It's because I moved.
Oh my god.
Nah,
we out here.
Ishmael, man.
Hi, look, bro.
So the girls won, man. It's because I moved. Is it because the bed moved, yeah?
Curtains.
Oh,
How is it the girls that won?
So basically, yeah, this is the first time. Oh yeah.
That you
Boom, boom. So the two girls are left. I would feel the girls are hiding somewhere crazy. Somewhere crazy. Well, we got literally 8 minutes to find these girls, man. 8 minutes.
You don't want to lose because like you want money. No, listen, I don't want to be offered that now. We're not. What? How does this something? Oh. No, I'm not.
You lose your money in 8 minutes.
Yes!
Oh my days. Who put that phone there? That's what gave it away. Oh my god. I looked here, I was walking by and I seen the phone.
So everyone's been caught.
Oh my days.
Everyone, he's the last, he's winning. Everyone's, I look at that guy, he's good, guys. Fair play, fair play.
So these are your winners. Unfortunately, I still got 8 minutes on the clock, so I
Obviously, we said it.
€50. So, sorry, yeah.
You were close though, 8 minutes, fam. Yeah.
So let's go find the rest of the gang, innit? Next time, bro.
Yeah, but the
You got
first
caught.
Yeah, but you weren't allowed then.
You got caught.
I got myself out.
You got
didn't
caught.
catch me.
Everybody got caught, so obviously you know how this goes. Nobody got the money, I got my money back.
So obviously you would have been.
Yo, you know I would have won. I cut myself out. You know what I mean?
Listen,
I would have won.
I'm TDK. I'm still the best here. You know the vibes already. You were.
Yeah.
I said we spiral. I will see you guys in the next one.
Wait, round two.
Down bad. Now I'm on top, I'm a big boy. Yeah. Scars,